Hello, my name is Sean Royce and I'm the Managing Director of KCOM Retail. Many of you will know that we provide telephone and broadband services right across Hull and East Yorkshire, and we have been doing so now for 116 years. Well, we have the phone bit. The broadband is a more recent thing, but arguably it's even more important these days. I'm sat here today recording this at home in sunny Hull, doing another Facebook premiere to announce a few things which I hope you'll like and which I think are good, in fact great news for the region. You may have seen we've done a few of these Facebook events in the past, and thousands of you have watched them, so it's a great way of getting the message out about what we're doing. Okay, firstly, I'd like to acknowledge that the past few months have been incredibly challenging for many across Hull and East Yorkshire. I'd like to thank all the key workers who have kept the region going, and that includes our own team here at KCOM, who have gone above and beyond to make sure life can continue as normally as is possible. I know it's been a massive effort for many of our team here and for many more of you out there. So a big thank you from all of us to all of you. Just to see the community pulling together, from key workers and the food bank charities to the individual efforts like the kids at Market Wheaton School who've been making PPE visors for the NHS, it's all been really inspiring to see. I think we've done a pretty good job at KCOM of making sure everyone's phone and internet services have been working so that they've been able to keep in contact with their friends, family and colleagues during this time. I know it hasn't been easy connecting to loved ones, holding virtual birthday parties for the kids, doing quizzes for the grown-ups and doing everything else that we took for granted before lockdown, just in different ways. But I think the last few months have shown just how important real, full fibre broadband has become to our everyday lives and how it's enabled us to carry on. Our award-winning KCOM broadband is the envy of the rest of the UK right now. And never before have we needed real, full fibre broadband more. Hopefully, you might have seen our TV advert recently, the first one we've ever done, which is really exciting. It was made to pay tribute to the great community we have here in East Yorkshire and to show how we've all pulled together. And if you haven't seen it, please do have a look on our website. It's really uplifting stuff. Right then, I said I have some announcements to make, so I'd better get on with them. My first bit of news is that for the first time, we've launched an unlimited full fibre broadband package for just £25 a month. That's the cheapest we've ever offered an unlimited fibre broadband package for. It's a 13 megabit per second speed package, which means you'll be able to stream and surf and game and do everything your family likes to do. And because it's unlimited, you'll never run out of data, and you'll know exactly what you'll be paying each and every month. We think this is the best value broadband service that we've ever offered. Plus, because it's on our award-winning full fibre network, it is incredibly reliable. So if you've ever experienced the spinning circle of death while you're waiting for something to buffer, you'll know just how important reliability is. This service will be available to all new customers on a 12-month contract, and it's perfect for anyone who wants quality broadband with a speed that can deal with the things that we just take for granted these days, like streaming a box set on Netflix or playing online with an Xbox, but also at a price that offers fantastic value. It's also ideal for anyone who, for instance, may be a little bit older and needs to keep in touch better with their families over Skype or Zoom or whatever it might be, especially during these times of social distancing. So, that's our new £25 unlimited broadband service, available now until the 12th of August. My next announcement is about where you're going to be able to get it. We've already announced that KCOM Retail is expanding beyond our traditional areas of Hull and East Yorkshire, bringing the benefits of real, full fibre broadband to tens of thousands of extra homes across the East Riding and also for the first time to North Lincolnshire. We're already providing our ultra-fast Lightstream broadband to Driffield, Market Wheaton and the village of Nafferton. Well, today I can announce the next stage of that expansion and that we will soon be offering Lightstream in, drumroll please, Pocklington, Goole, Withensea, Howden and Hornsey. That's another 22,000 properties across 5 more towns who will soon have the UK's best consumer broadband service. And that's not just according to me. That's according to the UK's Internet Service Providers Association, the ISPA, who awarded us that title only last year. We'll soon be providing Lightstream right from the North Sea coast to the western edges of our county. That means faster and rock-solid reliable broadband for everyone at home and major benefits for anybody running a business in those towns. When you've got brilliant broadband, it really can be life-changing. So, that's Pocklington, Goole, Withensea, Howden and Hornsea, where we'll be arriving within the next few weeks and months. You can pre-register your interest now on our website at www.kcomhome.com/pre-register. And of course, until August the 12th, if we're available in your area, you'll be able to sign up to our new £25 unlimited package. Or, if you need faster speeds for more heavy-duty online activity, we can also provide speeds up to 900 megabits per second to home users. These are some of the fastest speeds in the UK. And as an extra bonus, for anyone in our new expansion areas, we are offering free connection to anybody who signs up before the 4th of July. That's anybody in Driffield, Market Wheaton, Nafferton, and indeed Pocklington. So that's it. These are exciting times for us here at KCOM. We're pushing on further and faster than we've ever done before, with award-winning, fast, reliable, full fibre broadband. Real fibre broadband, as I like to call it. I know it's been a strange few months, but we're coming through it together, and I honestly believe there are bright times ahead. I can't wait to get started and to welcome lots of new towns and lots of new villages to the KCOM family, and to unleash the potential that real full fibre broadband can bring right across our entire region. So thanks for listening, thanks for watching, and I'm sure we'll be doing another one of these very soon. Thank you, and do stay safe.